Hi and welcome to BTMsoft. Here we will show you how to enter employee tax details and lodge tax file number declaration. Click Staff, Employees, List. Select the employee you wish to set up. Click Payroll Details tab and Employee Tax Details. Enter the tax file number. Tax class is the base for calculation of tax withholding. If you know your tax class and don't need to lodge a tax file number declaration, you can simply select it here. Then, click Save and you're all set. If you want to lodge a tax file number declaration, answer all these questions. A guide to these questions is provided by the tax office. After you complete the questions, click Calculate Tax Class, and correct class will be selected based on your answers. Click here to download a PDF report for employee to sign. Enter date when employee signed form. Select here to lodge this form with your next single-touch payroll report. Lodgement date will appear here. Single-touch payroll reporting is covered in another tutorial. Whole year earning is the amount earned by the employee with their previous employer. Enter it so the correct tax can be withheld based on total income. Enter financial year for this income so it is not only applied to this financial year. If employee has provided a tax withholding variation advice, select Withholding Variation in Tax Class and enter tax variation rate here. If the employee is entitled to claim tax offset, please enter it here. This is the total annual amount as advised. Click Save and you're all set.